The snap error is a common error message in Google Chrome that appears when the browser encounters a problem loading a web page. It can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to fix this error. Here's a detailed guide. Refresh the page. Sometimes the error is temporary and can be resolved by simply refreshing the page. Press the F5 key on your keyboard or click the refresh button in the Chrome toolbar. Clear browser cache. Cached data can sometimes cause conflicts and lead to the snap error. To clear the cache, follow these steps. Press Ctrl+Shift+Delete, Windows, Linux, or Command+Shift+Delete, Mac, to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure Cached Images and Files is selected. Choose the time range for which you want to clear the cache. Selecting All Time is the most thorough option. Click the Clear Data button to delete the cached files. Disable browser extensions. Extensions can sometimes interfere with Chrome's functioning and cause the error. To disable extensions, follow these steps. Type CHROME://extensions in the address bar and press Enter. Disable all extensions by toggling the switch next to each extension to the off position. Try reloading the page to see if the error is resolved. If it is, you can re-enable the extensions one by one to identify the problematic one. Update Google Chrome. Outdated versions of Chrome may have bugs or compatibility issues that can trigger the snap error. To update Chrome, follow these steps. Click the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the browser window. Go to Help and select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. Restart the browser after the update is complete. Disable hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration uses your computer's graphics card to accelerate the rendering of web content. However, it can sometimes cause conflicts. To disable hardware acceleration, follow these steps. Click the three-dot menu icon and go to Settings. Scroll down and click on Advanced to expand additional settings. Under the System section, toggle off the Use Hardware Acceleration when available option. Restart Chrome and see if the error persists. Check for malware or antivirus interference. Malware or antivirus programs can interfere with Chrome's functioning. Run a thorough scan of your system using an up-to-date antivirus program to check for any infections. Additionally, ensure that your antivirus software is not conflicting with Chrome by temporarily disabling it. Reset Chrome settings. If none of the above steps work, resetting Chrome to its default settings can help resolve the error. Keep in mind that this will remove your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords. To reset Chrome, follow these steps. Go to Settings in Chrome. Scroll down and click on Advanced to expand additional settings. Scroll further down and under the Reset and Clean Up section, click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm the action in the pop-up window and allow Chrome to reset. If none of these steps resolve the snap error, there may be an underlying issue with your operating system or Chrome installation. In such cases, you could try reinstalling Chrome or seeking further assistance from Google Chrome support or relevant online forums.